there is a complex number here, and then after that they say that the complex number z is a real number, which means that there is no imaginary part. So our strategy is to expand it to separate the real part, how a plus b times of I, to change it to this format. And then because they say that the whole thing is a real number, which means that there is no imaginary part, then we can claim that b, the coefficient of I, you may think it this way, is equal to 0. That's our strategy to solve A. But before we continue, the key point is I power 6 and I power 7. Have our revision first. I representing the meaning of square root -1. You may think it this way. I squared is -1. I power 3 is -I. Finally, I power 4 will give you back +1. So every 4 times is a cycle. That's why I power of 6, you should break it down. I power of 4 plus 2. That means I power 4 times I power 2. I power 4 is 1, and then I power of 2 is -1. So we have -1. I power 6 just simply means -1. Similar reason, I power 7 is I power 4 times I power 3. It gives you 1 times I power 3. That means -I. We finish all the preparation, then go back to our calculation. Z is equal to A plus 5. I power 6. We already calculate. That means -1. And then plus A minus 3. I power 7. That means -I. So if we separate them, it's -A plus 5, and then minus A minus 3 times of I. Go back to our strategy, is if we separate the real term, the real part, imaginary part, then the imaginary part is 0 because they say it's real number. Therefore, we draw the conclusion, -A minus 3 is equal to 0. That means A minus 3 is 0, A is equal to 3. That's how we get the answer. To solve this question is whether you know the implication that they say is a real number. Sometimes they may say that Z is a pure imaginary number. And also another thing is about you have to remember I power of 4 form one cycle, and I power 1 to I power 4 you can express in terms of I.